Her kitchen is where the magic is made.
Hi there, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Holly, your friendly neighborhood carnivore, and I am so happy you could join me today. So we are finally through January, and all month long I have been doing beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. Nothing but beef, butter, bacon, and eggs all month long. And sometimes when you eat the same things on repeat, you just want a change of texture. So during this month, I have been thinking about my tuna toast and how that texture would just be amazing. And I've really been wanting it, but I can't have tuna on beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. So instead, I opted to attempt to make some ground beef toast. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Is some toast made from ground beef. So when I first made it, I thought, ooh, I kind of like this dark color of this ground beef toast. It reminds me of rye bread. It looks a lot like rye bread or rye toast. And so I thought, you know, I really used to enjoy some rye bread when I was able to have gluten in my life. And that flavor that you get in rye bread is from caraway seeds. So I decided to add some caraway seeds to my ground beef toast to see if it would be similar to rye bread. And you know what? It's so good. It reminds me of a piece of rye toast. It is amazing. So today I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna make this ground beef toast, and then we're gonna come back and have a taste test with it. As always, the recipe is in the description along with some helpful links to products or ingredients that might be a little bit difficult to find. So feel free to look through that and check it out. Let me show you how we are going to make this.
We've got 3.5 ounces of ground beef that's been cooked, beef gelatin powder, salt, an egg, and here's our optional ingredient, caraway seeds. We're going to start by putting our ground beef into a food processor and go ahead and add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of beef gelatin powder. Then we're going to go ahead and process that together. We want to make sure that all of that beef gelatin gets incorporated well with the ground beef. Next up, we're going to add our optional ingredient of caraway seeds. You just need about 1/4 teaspoon. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and add that egg. Blend it up really well. Don't forget to scrape down the sides. And then you're going to end up with this thick, doughy kind of a meat paste. Next up, you need a microwave safe dish. When I do the tuna toast, I usually use the round ramekin. This time I'm gonna go for some rectangular toast, so I've got this mini loaf pan. We're gonna grease it up with some ghee. And then we need to load in our meat dough. Using that spatula, get your meat dough packed into your dish really well. Don't forget to use a bit of a stabbing motion so you can really get the air pockets out of it and get the meat packed in there really well. And it doesn't hurt to take your fingers to pack down the top and make sure that it's nice and flat. And then finally, take your spatula or a knife and make a slit down the center so when you microwave it, it's not going to puff up real tall in the center. Microwave that bad boy for 2.5 to 3 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's dry on top. Remove from your baking dish and let it cool for just a few minutes before you cut it. You can either cut this lengthwise for 2 rectangular pieces of toast, or you can cut it crossways for a bunch of small pieces of toast, which are great for dipping into things. Just take a look at that bready texture. Toss the bread into a skillet that's been preheated over medium heat. Just listen to that sizzle. Your toast may stick to the bottom of the skillet at first. Once those proteins have toasted up enough, they will release from the bottom of the skillet and be easy to flip over.
Okay, so we have got our ground beef toast. I've got a little ghee to spread on it, and I've also got some egg salad because I think that's going to be delicious. So let me show you a nice close-up of the toast. Nice sized pieces, so you could make a sandwich if you're wanting a sandwich out of it. Kind of break it in half and show you that texture in there. I'm gonna try and nibble without anything on it first, but who really eats dry toast? So we're gonna put some stuff on it, and that's what's gonna make it really delicious. Smells good. So it's such a different texture from just eating burger patties and stuff like that. So here's a bite with some ghee smeared on it. So for me, this is my usual go-to. Spread some ghee and just enjoy it. It's my favorite way to eat it. But I haven't had it yet with egg salad or something like that, and I think egg salad would be amazing on it. So let's give it a try, shall we? Okay, I think this is my new favorite vessel for egg salad. This is absolutely delicious. It's very bready. It's nice and crispy from being toasted. It's meat. It's ground beef and eggs. It's crazy, but it works. It's delicious. And it's a definite change of texture. There's caraway seeds in the toast. They definitely make me think of rye bread or rye toast. I absolutely love that addition in there. Of course, you can make it without the caraway seeds, especially if you're not a fan of that zingy flavor. Or if you don't play with herbs and spices in your carnivore diet, you don't have to add it at all. I really hope you enjoy this super quick, super easy ground beef toast. I love things like this. It just gives so much diversity to the things that I eat every day. If you're new to carnivore and you're interested to see what people eat every day to stay carnivore or how they manage this lifestyle, or just if you're just curious in general, what exactly am I eating every day? You can find me over on X at Carnivore Friend or on Instagram at Friendly Neighborhood Carnivore. And over on those platforms, I post what I eat every single day. So you can check it out, see what I'm munching on. Come find me over there and come say hey. I love to chit chat with you guys. Or don't. If you're shy and you don't want to say anything and you just want to kind of creep around and see what I've been eating, I'm good with that too. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. And please leave me a comment. I love to chit chat with you guys in the comments. And I would love to know, have you guys tried my tuna toast before? Are you gonna try this ground beef toast? Let me know which one you like better. They're both absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see y'all next week. Bye.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for a culinary dream.